So we just sat down here for lunch. Got a beautiful ocean view right there. I think Jen's having a fantastic time. Remember, we did this trip for her birthday, so I think she's having a really good time, I hope. Anyway, we have wine here at the table, and we're just waiting for them to bring us some food. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys what the food looks like once we get served. Having a good time? So I guess for the appetizer they give you pumpkin soup. Looks quite nice. Let's take a look. Pumpkin soup. What do you think, Jen?
Yum.
Is it good?
Delicious.
Alright, so I'm gonna try this pumpkin soup. So it looks pretty nice. Oh wow.
Yum.
Wow. Oh my god. You know what? They can just give me a massive bowl of that and I'll be happy. Okay, appetizer number 2 is papaya chicken salad and fresh spring rolls. Not my thing to eat, but I'm willing to give it a try. Decoration is nice. Take a look. The fresh spring roll is actually quite nice. I've never really had a fresh spring roll before. For me, it's all been deep fried, but
Great.
it's actually very yum. Not bad at all. How's your papaya salad, Jen?
Lovely.
Is it good? Alright, I'll try the papaya chicken salad. It's kind of hard to get it all separated.
I'm gonna mix the chili in there. I'm gonna mix the chili in there.
It's not bad. It's different. It has a good taste to it. Not my thing, but yeah, it's okay. It's nice. I think much more I can say about that. Alright, that was pretty good. Appetizer number 3. You're not gonna believe this. Take a look at this.
Chili oil. Stop. Coconut and chili oil.
2 large shrimp and squid. Cool. Like, I don't know how to peel this thing apart,
I'll teach you.
but we're gonna have to figure it out. I'll tell you a little story though about this little guy. They were serving a crepe. It was a shrimp crepe, and in their crepes here they put the whole entire shrimp in it. And when I was eating this crepe, I'm like, you know what? It tastes really fishy. Why does it taste so fishy? I opened the crepe up, and it's the whole entire shrimp I was eating. Head, everything. I just couldn't believe it. I got turned away from it right away. So I've never eaten a whole entire shrimp with head on it and everything. But, sure, yeah. The staff here is fantastic. So far, they're treating us really well. There's only myself and Jen, like I said, and 2 other people. That's it. The squid is very good. Got some good spicy flavor to it. I'm loving it. Jen is going to show us how to peel a shrimp. You gonna do this, Jen?
Oh yeah.
I don't know if this is right or not. These are like big shrimps. But I always like squeeze it and take it off the tail.
Yeah.
And then this one, I don't know, it's got a big head. Ooh, it's juicy. I don't eat the head.
No,
I think a lot of people eat the head and suck out the brains, but that's not what I
would
do.
not eat that.
Yeah, and then I just take out.
That's it? That's it?
That's it.
Alright, what does it taste like? Good?
Oh, it's yum.
Spicy?
I'm not sure. No, I think it's just like steamed.
Alright, I'll give it a try. Food here is very tasty. Like, I love it. I love seafood. But I like it prepared for me. I don't like pulling stuff apart with shells and stuff like that. But I'm gonna try and do it.
Remember what I did now?
I think
What was the
so.
first thing I did?
I think you pulled the head off, right?
Nope, the bum, the tail.
Alright.
Squeeze that. Pull.
Squeeze out the tail.
Squeeze.
Okay.
There you go.
That was easy.
And then same with the head. Hold the middle of the body.
Do you have me?
No, just the food.
I have never seen a shrimp this big before in my life.
I think it's a prawn.
Now you just pull the head off?
You hold the middle of the body,
Yeah.
and you squeeze, and then you pull the head up. Look at you. It's okay, the rest will come off when you pull off the middle of the
Didn't
body.
really work.
Okay.
That's it?
Now you pull off the back now. You have to squeeze it though. Okay, you weren't watching. There you go. Squeeze, there you go.
Okay.
And now it's fine.
You think?
Yeah, nice
No,
shrimp.
there's still shell on it though.
Look at that nice shrimp.
Huh?
Eat it.
There's shell on it still.
Eat it.
Is that
It's-
shell?
No, it's not. Is that hard? Fresh. Like fresh. All the seafood's fresh from Halong Bay here.
That's so good.
Right?
Wow.
Oh, yum.
I got another one I gotta eat.
Yeah.
I hope you're enjoying your birthday trip.
Oh, yeah. This is definitely 5-star. Like, the food is phenomenal.
Yeah.
And look at these beautiful views, man.
I know. Jan is sitting right by the window, and we're passing a lot of rock formations here. As you can tell, it's just beautiful here. What a trip to do. Would you recommend it?
Totally.
Yeah?
It's worth it. Just do it.
We still have the main course to come. Yeah? So if you guys are thinking about booking a La Penta cruise, we highly recommend that you book the 5-star. It's fantastic, and you don't get a lot of people booking on the 5-star cruise. So you'll have a lot more privacy time with just you and your wife or your husband. Versus if you book the 4-star, you're gonna have a bunch more people on that boat. This way, it's a lot more romantic. The other couple that's on the boat is sitting on the other side, so it's really private. I'm loving it, and
it's not buffet style. It's served.
it's not buffet style. Yeah, they serve you your food. Hopefully, the waitress will allow me to get her on film, so you can see her. And
Her name is Cherry.
yeah, her name is Cherry. So stay tuned. Our main course just arrived. Take a look. What do you think?
Delicious, Dave. But I ruined my picture, so you have to take a photo of your food.
Okay, can you tell us what you have?
So it's stir-fried cauliflower, turmeric rice, and grilled chicken with honey. And this yellow is potato, and it's stir-fried broccoli and carrot as well. Yum.
You loving it?
Oh, seriously, oh my
This
god.
is totally
This
your
is
cruise.
lunch.
This is your cruise.
I don't even want to know what dinner is.
3 appetizers and then this main course. You get your money's worth here on this cruise. Book with them. It's a fantastic little experience. Alright, for dessert, they've given us this. Ice cream, apple, watermelon, and dragon fruit. And the dragon fruit is shaped like a heart. How cute.
Oh, I don't have to. You're not waiting for me?
You know what? I might just stay on here forever. I might never come home. Feels good to get the shoes off. Now it's time to relax and enjoy this cruise. That lunch was amazing. I am full. Wow. Captain has stopped the ship for a relaxing 45-minute spot here. So let's take a look around. Let's go on the deck. Wow, you could even lay down here and just enjoy the breeze from the ship moving forward. It's awesome. Yeah. Wow. Gorgeous. So we're going to be stopped here for 45 minutes to enjoy this spot right here. I'm going to change video cameras so we can get a really good video of this view that we have here. So next time you see the video, it's going to be on a really good HD camcorder. Here you go. Alright, we have switched video cameras. I'm now using the HD camcorder. Hello everybody. Hopefully this video quality is a lot better. Let's take a look at the view.
I just want to show you that my legs are there.
So I'm laying down on the bed here. Take a look at this view, man. Like, it's breathtaking. What an awesome birthday vacation for Jen.
After anniversary coming up.
Lucky girl. Yes, Jen, and our anniversary. So one thing I forgot to mention, if you book the 5-star cruise, not too many people will book that, right? Then they'll upgrade you to a room like this. There's Jen. And we're right at the front of the boat. So keep that in mind when you book.
We have the VIP suite.
We have the VIP suite just because
There's nobody on the boat.
there's nobody on the boat besides us.
We just booked a regular balcony room.
Yeah, having a good time?
Oh yeah, it's amazing.
It's beautiful, it's sunny here. We should be leaving here in about 15 minutes or so, and then we're gonna go hiking. Stay tuned. So this is what it's like living like a superstar. One day, when this channel explodes with subscribers. That is the ugliest boat I've ever seen. Nice carpet though. That's the only thing that's nice on that boat. We are living in 205. How you like my new necklace, Jen?
Huh?
How'd you like my new necklace?
Yeah.
205. Okay, we are back on the boat. Gonna wear our life jackets. We are gonna go to another spot where we can do some hiking in a cave. Check out some hills, that kind of stuff. There's 142 steps we're gonna have to climb. Shouldn't be a problem. In our transportation to the caves.
Super shallow.